I'm good. And what about you?
I am also fine. Do you know importance of learning English?
Yeah, obviously. Actually, English is, English is an international language. But English is not just a language, it's a skill. Like,
Yeah.
without English, you can't get a good job and anything. And if you know English, you will getting a good job and you will be update and you will connect with another country's people. So obviously English is so important. If you know English, that time every door is open for you.
Okay.
So obviously English is so important for you.
Okay. Can you see my condition? Can you help me? How can I improve my English?
Obviously I can help you. You can improve your skill. Actually, in our country there are lots of opportunity for learning English, because everyone is so conscious about English, because without English you can't get a good job and everything. Without English you are just getting nothing. So if you want to learn your English, or if you want to improve your English, in our country there are lots of opportunity for learning English, and like English therapy mentors and many institutions. And also we are some types of apps like Duolingo, ChatGPT, HelloTalk, and Free4Talk. You can't speak, you can't practice your English with native speaker, and your English will be just your English will be over and upper, and you can practice your English like that way, and you will be able for learning if you practice or if you follow this rule
Okay,
or
thank
this way.
you. Did you admit any institute
Yeah,
for learning English?
Yeah, obviously, I admit English therapy. Actually, from before 2 years ago, I saw some videos English therapy, and at that time I decided that one day I will admit English therapy, because English therapy, I heard that English therapy's environment is so good, and now I am a student of English therapy, and I passed 1 month, and now you can see that my English level, and and English therapy's environment is so good for learning English, and our teachers is so helpful and so friendly. So English therapy is so good for, and English therapy, I prefer English therapy.
Okay, and I also watched lots of video in English therapy. Lots of students said, okay, English therapy environment is so good. I agree with you, and thank you for this information. What do you think? Many people, think that English language is too much difficult. What do you think about this matter?
Okay, no, English is not difficult language. English is like another language, like our native language, Bengali, our native language. So like that, because English, we think that English is difficult because it has a reason. From our childhood, we learn English just based on subject. Like we learn grammar, rules, but it not a subject, it's a language. So that's why we thought that English is difficult language. But no, English is not difficult language. It is like another language. So other language. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Lots of information gathered for you. Thank you so much.
And
And it's helped me lots of.
okay, thank you very much, and you are also welcome.